Describe a place in your country that you think is interesting. You should say where it is, how you knew it, what special features it has, and explain why you think it is interesting.
Bangladesh is a diverse country. There are a lot of interesting places in Bangladesh. There are interesting tourist spots, beaches, buildings, and much more. Today, I would like to talk about one interesting places in Bangladesh, which is Ahsan Manzil. And it's special for the architecture, and it is one of the most attractive place in Bangladesh. That's why every year from different countries people visited here and try to explore the architecture. In 1859, Nawab Abdul Ghani built these buildings. First time they used these buildings as their home, and they also conducted their business from these buildings. When you enter into these buildings, you notice a beautiful triangle shaped gate, and in front of this building you also see a lot of flower gardens, and this building situated beside the river of the Buriganga. In 2011, first time I visited in these places when I was a student of class 5. After finishing our visiting part, one of my teacher gave an assignment to note down some things about these buildings. From this note, I would share some information about these buildings. 3,000 people was working for 5 years to create these buildings. And in the top floor of these buildings, there was a dome. On the time, it was highest peak in Dhaka. A recent report shows that these buildings was turning yellows due to pollution. So the authority take some necessary steps to protect these buildings, and these buildings used as a museum at present time.